Hi, it's Asian Mom Cooking here. Today I'm going to show you how to make teriyaki chicken. And these are the ingredients you need. 1.5 pounds chicken leg, deboned, salt, pepper, oil, cooking wine, light soy, dark soy, oyster sauce, sesame oil, cornstarch, brown sugar, and water. I'm going to marinate the meat first. Total amount is like a 1/3 teaspoon of salt. So you marinate this side, both sides. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Just massage some in. If you need more, just put more. 1 tablespoon of cooking wine. This side, that's all we can touch it from here. Just over here. Now you can massage all of it. And then let it marinate for 15 minutes or more. Okay, while we're waiting for the chicken to marinate, we can prepare the sauce first. So I have 2/3 cups of water. We need 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1 tablespoon light soy, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon oyster sauce, 1/2 teaspoon dark soy, and we can stir it until everything dissolves and then set aside for later use. I'm cooking in medium heat. My pan is hot. Just add a little bit of oil, a teaspoon of oil. Until the skin is golden brown before you flip it. I pan fried it without the cover for like 7 minutes now, and it is like this beautiful color. And now turn on this side. On this side, I prefer to cover it. Let's cook for 6 minutes. Okay, 6 minutes has gone by. This is what it looks like. Let me see if it's cooked. Oh yeah, easily stuck in. Cooked. Okay, I'm turning it back. Make the skin. Right now the skin's gone softer, so turn it around and it will get crispy. It is cooked. Yep. Just let it pan fry like this for 2 minutes. There's too much oil in here, so it's splashing, so I try to get it out. You can use it for something else or you can take it. Has gone by and the skin is crispy now. Yeah. Take it out. golden brown. We have to cook this sauce, the teriyaki sauce. Just stir it, make sure nothing stays to the bottom. Cook it till it's thickened and also boiling. It should be. As time goes by, it gets thicker. There you go. Look at that. It's good. Now turn off the heat. You can put some on the top, or you can put the sauce on the side, but I like to put it on the top. I'm garnishing with a white sesame seed, and also you can cut it up if you like, or you can eat the big piece, so one big piece per person. Okay, I'm gonna cut a piece, and these are the extra sauce that I did not put in case people don't like extra sauce, but my kids love them and myself love extra sauce. So the skin is still crispy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell to get notified next time I upload.